Hi there, Mike MacArthur from the Oshkosh Public Library, back with the new series, This Month in Library History. May 2025 is the 125th anniversary of the Oshkosh Public Library's building on Washington Avenue. And to celebrate, I'm digging in each month to look at the interesting historical moments in its library's history that have made us the place we are today. Lots of stuff happened in May. So May 5th, 1966, some nice students from Lourdes were helping us box up books in preparation to move them out so they could build the 1966 edition of the library, which I talked about a couple times, and brought everyone wonderful memories for over 25 years. May 7th, 2004, 33 Lions in Waiting. Local artists were finishing up decorating their versions of Sawyer and Harris for the Pride of Oshkosh. I'm sure a lot of you remember this event where they took 33 different lions, replicas of the Sawyer and Harris, the library lions, and decorated them all up and put them all over the city. You can still see a couple of them in the city as I drive around in 2025. May 8th, 1940, books in demand. Again, I find it hilarious that they just put so much information about the library in the newspaper in the old days in the 1940s. So these were the books that were new and in demand at the library in May of 1940. They were Smattering of Ignorance, which apparently was a book on music and criticism and composers that the New York Times called lively. The Land Below the Wind, which was a memoir. How to Read a Book. Hey, I've actually read that. The Idea of a Christian Society. And This is Our China, another memoir by Madame Chiang Kai-shek. So people liked memoirs. May 15th, 1986, libraries initiating new services. Back in 86, the library just started to build collections, services, and resources for adult learners, not just about the kids. It was developed to help adults improve their reading and writing skills. I could probably use it to improve my reading of my own script. May 18th, 1967, large type book supply increasing at library. So in 1967, large print books were kind of a new thing, and the library definitely jumped on the chance to build a collection of them. They were up this year up to 94 large print books. I don't know how many we have now, lots. And now I guess you have ebooks, so every book can be a large print book, really. Interesting fact, at the time, this collection was referred to as sight-saving books. May 19th, 1990, hens to leave the bouncy bookmobile. Milt Hens, who drove the Oshkosh Public Library bookmobile for 23 years, decided to hang up his keys this year. May 20th, 1899, the cornerstone. Final plans are put in place to put down the library cornerstone Memorial Day, 1899. And May 22nd, 1992, library gets $5.5 million gift. This is a big one in our history, recent history. 2 years after the referendum to build a new library failed, the library received an anonymous $5.5 million that the city could match to build the new library. Of course, later revealed that it was Alberta Kimball who gave it. May